Get up here!
What?
It's a mess in here.
No, it's not. What are you talking about? You can see the floor.
Can't you find anything in this room?
There's a chair. Hey, have you seen my iPod?
No.
God, why can't I ever find it?
Well, if you pick up your mess, maybe you find something.
Maybe Nikki's seen it. Nikki! Nikki!
What?
Come here for a minute.
What'd you lose this time?
My iPod?
Oh god, how am I gonna find it?
I don't know. I'm actually kind of frightened to pick this thing up. I don't think I removed that jacket for 6 months.
Okay.